operator, it has increment and decrement operator. So increment and decrement operator is nothing but it's a plus plus and minus minus. So what does mean that? So here, if you see, let me take the whiteboard. A is equal to 10. So if you want to add plus 1, how you can do? A is equal to A plus 1, right? So the similarly, here if you write it A plus plus, this is the same meaning. Whatever A plus plus you are going to write it, that means A is equal to A plus 1. Similarly, A minus minus also, if you are going to write it A minus minus, A minus 1 or A minus minus. These both will give the same meaning. And one more thing here, you might write it in future this way also. And subtraction also, you might write like this. So what does mean the difference between this one and this one? So the first one is, so before, it's a after addition, like whatever you are going to add it, the value will be assign it after that. This will be before, the result will be assigning before itself. Okay, so this is also be the same, the result will be reflecting after. This is, the result will be applying before. So whatever here you are going to see, this is increment operator. These are the decrement operators. Based on your requirement, you are going to be use it A plus plus or plus plus A. So the same one, if we are going to see that in the programmatically, so I'm going to create one more class for urinary class. Urinary operator example. This is the class. It's a public static void main system dot out. Similarly, whatever we wrote initially, that is int a is equal to 10. So if I display a value is system.out.println a plus plus, I'm going to display it before some text. Okay, whatever the result we are going to display, I'm just adding something like this. So similarly, if I run it, a here, the same, it's applied. Now it was coming it as 12. So that is the logic here. The output you can see it as a plus 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 b, a the difference. So here assignment will be applied after. So here a is having 10. A plus plus means first the result will be displayed after addition will be applied. That is the reason output coming as 10. When it is moving to the next one, whatever the value, the incremented value is added, that will be coming here. It's a before operator. Before operator means addition will be applied before itself. That is the reason output is coming it as a 12. That's what I added this way. Single value plus 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 a. So these are the output you can see. The next thing is decrement operator. So I'm going to write the decrement operator also here. So let's get add multiple. So int whatever a value is there, I'm just resetting to 10 again. So till here it was having 12. So that value I'm just keeping as 10, whatever the initial value it has. So now A is having 10, then adding as a minus minus, and then minus minus A. This is same logic. Whatever addition you was learned, okay, the same logic will be applied here also. Minus minus scenario. So if you run it, but one thing, let me remove all this stuff. It's decrement operator, right? Like this. The first thing is, again here some mistakes. It should be 10 now here, and it is 10 only, and now it comes to 8. The same logic addition what it was having, initially 10. Once a value is printed, then it's going to be decrease the value. So that means initially 10 will be display, after that 10 minus 1. So the value is here is 9. So that 9 is carrying over here. This is before decrement. So before decrement means whatever the value it has, that value it will be decrement before printing. So that means it's the result is coming it as 9 minus 1. That is the reason it coming as a 8 here. So the final output is A is equal to 10, A minus minus is 10, and minus minus A is giving it as a 8. So this is the one is related to urinary operators.